Hi, I'm Adrian, owner of Lake Washington Windows and Doors. With over 35 years of experience in the window and home improvement industry, I've learned what truly impacts a homeowner's experience. Consistent communication, quality products and workmanship, and white glove service that exceeds expectations. Quality is not necessarily associated with our industry. That's why I founded Lake Washington Windows and Doors, where excellence isn't just a promise, it's my expectation. Through thousands of window and door projects, we developed our exclusive leak armor installation while incorporating products designed to maximize durability and energy efficiency. Backed by a lifetime leak armor installation warranty, we're committed to taking care of you and your home for years to come. Our 4.9 star rating and over 1,000 customer reviews testify to our dedication to providing a worry-free window and door installation experience. Our promise is to treat your home like ours. Ready to transform your home? Contact us today for a free quote at lakewashingtonwindows.com, a name you can trust.